Welcome to the Supercharged Core Burn. 10 minutes of core workouts. We're gonna do 5 exercises, 2 minutes each. Congratulations, you're ready to take that core to a whole different workout. You guys ready to do this? All right, let's go ahead, take it down on our mats. Grab your kettlebell. It's gonna be a crunch using the kettlebell for a little extra resistance. You're gonna pull your heels up. You guys ready? Here we go, let's pull it up. Good, and just find a nice little rhythm here. Squeeze at the top, and you're just pulling your shoulder blades right off the ground. Nice. Good, now I want you to imagine having maybe an apple between your chin and your chest, okay? And you don't want to close it, you just want to hold it there. Find a point on the ceiling and just focus on that. Squeeze at the top, exhale, and inhale on the way down. Good job, guys. To the top. Just find a nice little rhythm here. Now remember, we call it supercharged for a reason, all right? So we got to keep that intensity up. How you doing, Kim? You good? Yeah? Okay, guys, congratulations. You're through the first minute of it. We only got 1 more minute to go here. Squeeze at the top and release. Now you should be starting to feel a little bit of a burn in that belly, all right? I'm gonna challenge you. See if you can bring those shoulder blades just a little bit higher off the ground now. Make sure you keep breathing. Nice, up. Stay focused. Try not to tuck that chin. Good job, nice. Last 30 seconds. Remember, keep your heels up. And release to the floor. Almost there. Stay with me, okay? 15 seconds. How you doing, Alice? Doing great? Good. Keep it up, guys. Last 10 seconds. Last 10. We're gonna move on to the next exercise. It's gonna be a quick transaction. Nice. All right, so now we're gonna go into a twist, okay? So you're gonna bring your heels off the ground. You're gonna stack your knees over your hips. We're gonna come up, twist to the right, down again, up, twist, center. Good. Up, twist. Now you're gonna extend that leg out, okay? Straight back. Up. Good. Bring it up, squeeze and twist. Nice. Control, control. Good. Keep your heels up. Legs should be parallel to the floor. Up, twist. Good, and back down, 30 seconds. Now, if you have to take a break, that's okay. It's okay to pause. I want you to make sure that you're keeping the right form here, all right? Even if you have to drop down to a lighter kettlebell, that's all right. You guys are good? Yeah? Up, good. Twist, nice. Good job. Now we're halfway through. We got 1 more minute to go. Your core should definitely be on fire. I know mine is. Good. Try not to get those legs to start dragging or droop into the ground. Good. Up. Nice. Core's tight, engaged. Up. Good. 45 seconds. Up. Come on, you can do it. Come on, Kim. Come on. Stay with me. Up. Twist. Last 30, guys. Last 30. Yes. Up. Keep it going, keep it going. I need that intensity. Come on, 15 seconds. Again, it's supercharged for a reason. Your body's ready for this. If it wasn't, you wouldn't be doing it. This is for the 6-pack. Up. All right, give me 1 more. Here we go, last one. Up, twist, center. Good job, guys. All right, let's move on to the next one. It's called the floating half moon. So let's bring it up to our feet here. We're gonna take the kettlebell in our right hand. We're gonna take that left leg back and just lean forward. Good. And just hold it right here. Keeping your core tight. Now, if you happen to fall out of your balance, it's okay to get back up, reset yourself, and go back into it again. Or modified, you can just use your heel or your foot here with a little foot band, or you can raise it. Keep breathing. keep going. 15 seconds here, and then we're gonna switch to the other side. How you doing? You look great. Good job. All right. Nice job, guys. Just focus on your body, focus on your core. All right, now let's go ahead and switch over to the other side. Ready? When you're ready, go into it. Good. You want to have a slight bend in that knee. Again, if you lose your balance, reset and get back into it. Breathe. Everybody good? All right, good. Stay with me. 30 more seconds now. Core tight. Good job. Nice farmhouse. Good, just totally into it. Focused. Just slightly bend at the knees. You guys look so good. All right, here we go. Let's go. Just last 10 seconds. Stay focused. Pick a point out on the floor. Focus on that. All right, nice job, guys. All right, now we're going on to the fourth exercise. Let's take it back down onto the mat. All right, and this one we're gonna do a bridge. We're gonna take that kettlebell, we're gonna put it right on our pelvis, handles pointed up, and we're just gonna push up through the heels. Good, and back down again. Up and squeeze your glutes at the top here. Squeeze. Push up through your heels. Good, now control this. All the way up and release to the floor. Good. Now you'll feel a little bit of this in your legs too, in your hamstrings, maybe a little bit in the quads. Squeeze at the top. Keep that intensity up. Focus on your core. Remember, your core includes your back as well, your obliques, and the front. We're working all of it right here. Up. Nice. Okay, guys, we're 1 minute into it. We got 1 minute to go. Everybody good? Yeah, all right. How about you at home? You gotta stay with us, all right? Remember, it's a supercharge. Your body's ready to do this workout. We're just taking it to a whole different level. Squeeze at the top. Good job. All right, we're coming up on our last 30 seconds right here. Nice. Keep it going. Now you're getting a burn, guys. You should be feeling this in your glutes. Up. Good. Last 15 seconds. Really squeeze at the top. Stay with me now. Come on. Come on, this is it. 5 more seconds. Get a couple more in. Up. Last one. Great job, guys. All right, now let's take it back up onto our feet. We're gonna go into a twist with a kettlebell punch. So kettlebell's gonna go in your right hand, feet are about shoulder width apart. You're gonna have your guard up. We're gonna punch across your body. Up, good. Make sure that back foot is pivoting. Good. Punch across your body. Now you're engaging your core and your shoulders and your arms on this one. Cross, good. Nice. Everybody good? Yeah? Feel it? Good. Come on. Intensity, all right? You're a fighter, you're a boxer right here. Twist, good. Pivot, 15 more seconds on this side. Cross. Good, upper body. Come on, keep that arm parallel with the ground. 5 seconds, nice. Up, work guys, work. Stay with me. All right, now let's switch to the other side. Kettlebell, same thing. Guard up and punch across. Pivot, good. Left foot pivots. Nice. Parallel to the ground. Your arms coming across your body. Up. Good, keep that guard up, okay? You wanna keep it up here, don't let it drop. You wanna keep it right here. Up. Good, 30 more seconds here. Come on, home stretch. It's a supercharged workout, guys. It's only 10 minutes, but 10 minutes of hardcore, intense workout. 20 seconds, come on. Keep it up, keep breathing, you're almost there. Come on, 15. Cross, 10 seconds to go. Upper body, up, push, good. Here we go, last one, everybody, ready? Last one together, push. Awesome job. Way to go, congratulations. You just did the supercharge core burn. Your body is on fire. Great job, team. Let's go ahead, cool it down, make sure you recover after this. We'll see you at the next workout. Great job. High fives. Nice.